Hi everyone, I am back with this week's spot prize giveaway fun game. Excuse me, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this game. So yesterday I asked a question and it was, excuse me, what would be my choice for a meal if I wanted to go out on a Sunday or the weekend or whatever? Would I choose steak and chips or a carvery? And the answer was steak and chips. And yes, Joanne, I would also love mushrooms, onion rings, tomato, not really the salad though. No, I like salad, but not with me steak. So it would definitely be steak and chips. So we have 6 of you going through to the next round. So these are the people going through to the next round and can answer today's question. So everyone else who said carvery, I'm sorry, you are out. So these are the people that are through. We have Joanne Sanderson, Jackie McFall, Debbie Lozano, La Chica Baby One, sorry, Mrs. Stationery and Stuff, and Pinky Noble. Excuse me, I am feeling as rough as a badger's bottom. Now, I said I would add things in every day, so I'm adding these 2 things. I'm adding a blank one of these note cards, 2 of them in fact, for you to decorate. I have done some that I've decorated, so I've put 2 in for you to decorate, and I've also put in this Rolodex pocket that I've decorated. So you've got 3 things added to today's. So that's the pile of goodies. And today's question is this: which of these dogs would I love? Is it a miniature dachshund or a micro pug? Miniature pug really, but they're called micro pugs. So a miniature dachshund or a micro pug. So it's only these 6 of you that are going to have a chance at this. So it's one of those answers. Let me know which one you think, and we'll see who goes through to tomorrow's round. So good luck to the 6 of you. Oh, this is getting exciting. And we'll see how many of you are left standing for tomorrow. Just trying to tell you a little bit about what's going on as well. I'm going to be starting the April subby challenge. We've only got like a couple of days left for the March challenge, so I will be announcing the winner of that on Monday. So that will be Monday for the March subby challenge, and I will be starting the April subby challenge. I'll put the video up in the next couple of days. It is a good one, so it's an interesting one, this next one. Just trying to think. I will be doing another giveaway. I've got some more AliExpress videos going up from some AliExpress hauls. I think that is it. At least my nose has stopped running today, but I just feel full of head cold and I sound a bit like Marge Simpson, I think. So anywho, I thank you for your all your get well wishes as well. That means so much to me. And I shall see you all either later today or tomorrow. So good luck to you all. Take care. Bye-bye.